This is the only tutorial you will ever need in your life. Please watch this video till end. So, how to remove green background from your image in Photoshop 2025. So, we have two different methods. The first method is AI feature in Photoshop. Just click on the button right here, remove background. It works, but it doesn't work perfect every time. So another method, just click on your layer right here, click on filter, in select tab, then color range, then click on green screen right here, fuzziness, make it 200, then mark selection right here, not image selection, then make sure that your green screen now is white and your figure is total black. Click OK right here and then click delete button on your keyboard. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more like this. Bye.